Hello, I'm here to present you a seed treater Metra STM800P. This is a seed treating machine for big farmers or seed treating facilities. In the seed treating process, the seeds come through these housings. There's a flap here, after it comes to this bunker. Then here. Here it's mixed with the solution. After it goes through the auger. And it's unloaded here. The machine consists of a big tank for clean water. But also, in some cases, the chemicals can be mixed with water right here. And a few canisters, 3 exactly, for the chemicals. This machine is equipped with the split dosing system. In it, the mixing of the chemicals and water is done right before applying it to the seeds. The bunker is mounted on the freeload sensors, which allows the machine to measure how much seed is coming through it by the hour. And after this, using the options of liquid, which you would like to use per 100 pounds, it's automatically adjusting the flow of those pumps. When you receive the machine, the bunker will be suspended on these bolts. You need to unscrew this. So all the weight of the bunker will be only on the load cells. Below the control unit, you can see lookup tables in which you can see the rotations of the auger, minimum for the different productivities. This is a lookup table for how much seed comes in bushels per hour, depending on the shutter position and how much liquid you should use for the dose of seed. When you decide how much seed you would like to treat per hour, you should set the shutter in the correct position. At the beginning of work, you should power on the machine, the switch. Wait a few seconds to initialize. After that, you can see the menu of the seed treater. This is the menu of the seed treater. We should first go to the settings. Here's the settings of the dosage. It's how many ounces of the solution total are used for 100 pounds of the seeds. This is a norm, it's how much liquid in gallons per minute is used. This is check period. It's a period in which the machine will automatically launch the testing sequence. In this testing sequence, the seed treater will start to accumulate grain in the hopper, and when it reaches a certain amount, it will start unloading it and measure how quickly the seeds go from the hopper. When the sequence is done, the seed treater will know exactly the amount of the seeds which it can treat per hour, and will set the norm accordingly to the dosage here. Also, in the settings menu, there's an option called metrics. If you would like to work in liters and kilos instead of gallons and bushels, you just need to turn it on. After this option is culture. It's to select the correct seed that you are currently treating for indication on the working page. You can choose from wheat, soybean, oats, peas, corn, barley, and it is needed to show the right number of bushels per hour. Next option after the settings is motor testing. You can see the message attention machine is locked. Press launch, you need to press start. After the machine is unlocked. And the motors can be turned on. So first we have a mixer. It's a mixer in the tank for mixing the liquid when you add chemicals directly to the water. Next is unload drive. Also, to start working, you need to press this button. To be able to turn on the motors, you need to press this button first, and after that, you can turn on the motors. So here's the unloader. It's an auger. Proportioner will turn on the dosing pumps, just for testing. This will turn on the disk drive. It's a disk which spins inside the bunker and treats the seeds with solution. Grain feed is a shutter in the upper part of the machine which stops the seeds from entering the machine. Now it's shut. Open. When you're done with all preparation, you can start working. So, you press Select Work and press. Here on the display, you can see the norm in gallons per minute, which is currently set. Flow in gallons per minute. It will be shown when the dosing will be working and the amount of seed per hour in bushels per hour. If you press right again, you will see another menu. So you can manually launch the check mode. This is a sequence to measure how many seeds go through the seed treater per hour and set flow accordingly. You can look how much liquid you have already used. How much time you have worked and how many seeds were treated in the session and in total. On the lower part of the display, you can see it says bunker and there's a space. When the seed is in the bunker, there are two sensors and the signal will be shown here. There is also an information option here. You can press it. And here you can see how much liquid was used, total and in this session. How much time the machine was working, and how much seed it treated. Also, there is a sensor which allows you to directly see the signal from the load cells. On the seed treater, there are two frequency converters. First one is for disk drives, and it is set to 50 Hz. You cannot change this value. The other one is for the auger and it's changeable, so you can adjust the rotation of the auger as you need. I will show you right now. So when the auger is working, you can see the rotations per minute. You can change them by pressing the arrows up or down. So, for example, I would like to make it go faster. While I'm holding it, I can see the frequency of the current in Hertz. But when I release, I will see the rotations of the auger. The seed treater is equipped with a split dosing system. And this is how it works. You need to set the percentage of each chemical or water for each pump individually. How it's done? You need to press red button, so it says off, after you press the minus button. And while holding it, press shortly the red button. There's the PRST, its percentage. So for example, this dosing pump does 65%. Second gives 20%, third 10%, and fourth 5%. So the sum must be 100% for correct work. After you set the value you desire, you press the red button. Also, if you would like to work in liters, not gallons, you can choose unit and change it to liters. For correct work of the machine, you need to calibrate the dosing pumps. So first what you do, you need to make sure the liquid is in this housing. So you just press red button, it says off, and you can. Press together minus plus for the manual operation of the pump. You can just press plus and it will go forward sucking the liquid. And after you finish and would like to collect the chemicals back to the canister, you just press minus and it will go in reverse. To calibrate the pump, you should press the red button so it says off then. Press minus and while holding it, press red. Then you need to select P100. It's a precise calibration. After you press red button, you can see caption dose. This is dosage for the whole system. So, for example, if you would like to currently work at 0.8 gallons per minute for the whole system, you should set this value right here. Just hold it. It's necessary for very precise calibration. After this, you should turn the valve to this position. And put a measuring cup here and press the red button. After this, the dosing pump will make exactly 100 rotations and you should collect the liquid. When the pump stops, there will be TPS, and you need to enter the correct amount there. And press the red button. The seed treater is equipped with a non-traumatic auger, which is suitable for treating fragile cultures like soybeans, beans, corn, oats, peas, wheat, and other grains. On this seed treater is also mounted an aspiration system. Its work is to remove dust particles from the seed before treating. You should connect it to the main panel. After you connect the power cable to the socket, you just need to turn it on. This is a water tank. Inside you can see a filter. When you open it, you can see a magnetic mixer. I will briefly turn it on. Also in the tank there is a sensor which will activate a buzzer when the level of liquid is low.